Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and if you're tired of your sites not making enough or any money at all, you're going to want to pay close attention to this video and this page that you're on right now. Because on this page, we're going to reveal our new 3-step WordPress plugin that turns any site into a profit-pulling machine by quickly and easily deploying high-converting offers in under 60 seconds so that you can dominate your niche while our plugin handles all of your monetization for you. What you're going to see on this page is going to allow you to instantly monetize any site in multiple different ways. You'll be able to automatically add profitable offers to your sites in under 60 seconds. You'll be able to maximize the profit you make from every site you own or manage. You'll be able to quickly add AdSense, affiliate offers, your own offers, CPA offers, call to actions, or anything you'd like all over your sites. You'll be unlocking our powerful ad creator as a huge limited time bonus, which will allow you to quickly create and deploy ads in seconds from proven built-in templates. You'll be getting agency rights included so you can monetize your client sites too. And you'll also be unlocking our geo-targeting feature to skyrocket your conversions even more by displaying the most relevant ads by location. I can guarantee you that you've never seen anything like what you're about to see on this page. We've made profiting from any site as simple as following 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to download and install our WordPress plugin, which takes no longer than 5 seconds. Step 2 is to easily create and add your offers using our built-in offer creator or simply paste in your AdSense code. And step 3 is to set your desired display settings and watch our plugin instantly turn your sites into a profit-pulling machine. We've created the best, fastest, and easiest way to monetize your sites using the power of automated banner ads. Our WordPress plugin allows you to easily create, add, manage, and display high-converting offers on your sites in a way that no other plugin can, guaranteed. Plus, today you'll be securing a huge 73% charter members discount and some exclusive limited time bonuses not available anywhere else. However, before you go below this video and check out the demo video and everything else you're getting during this exclusive launch special discount, I'd like to play a friendly bet. Deal? I bet you that if you're watching this video, you probably own a website or two, right? Or maybe you're in the process of getting your website online. Or you're probably working with a client or two that has a website, right? And I'll also bet you that there's a good chance that you wished your sites and or your client sites were making more money than they are right now. Yes, of course. Who in their right mind does not want their sites to make more money? However, how about we jump into a quick reality check? Traffic without offers will always equal zero profit. Yes, you heard that correctly. Everyone is always talking about helping you get more traffic, helping you get more rankings, helping you get more social media traffic, helping you run better ads to get more traffic, talking about the latest untapped traffic source, etc., etc. However, here's what they don't tell you. If you're not providing your visitors with multiple chances to buy or click on offers on your sites, you will never make money. That's just a simple fact. You can have hundreds of page 1 rankings, you can have hundreds of visitors going to your sites every day, you can have your content going viral on social media, you can have the most beautifully designed website, you can have the most amazing logo, you can have the best content ever written. But without monetizing your sites properly, you will never make money, period. And it happens way too often. Many marketers who only have 1 or 2 offers on their site, they may have only 1 opt-in form or just 1 tiny page on their site titled My Products or My Services. And they're expecting for their sales to be going through the roof with this minimal exposure. However, you want to know what the common denominator is between all the biggest and most profitable sites is? They make it easy for you to buy and or click on offers on their sites. And every time you do, they get paid. All the biggest and most profitable sites online have offers posted everywhere. Just take a quick look at some of these sites. They have offers posted everywhere. And that's the difference between your sites and the most profitable sites online. You can't assume that your visitors are going to go to your My Products page or that they're going to opt into your list. You have to make it easier for your visitors to see and click on your offers every chance you get. However, before today, you either needed to know how to code or have a big budget to be able to accomplish this in an effective and efficient manner. This is why we decided to create the fastest and easiest way to add profitable offers to your sites in under 60 seconds. Introducing Adtivate. Adtivate is our new and powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to monetize your sites with the #1 most proven monetization strategy used by all the biggest and most profitable sites online: banner advertising. Yep, we've created the fastest and easiest way to create, add, manage, and deploy offers on your sites via the power of banner ads in under 60 seconds. With Adtivate, you'll be able to turn any site from this to this, from this to this, from this to this. Once you have Adtivate, you'll be able to quickly and easily turn your sites into profit-producing machines just like the big boys do. We have literally created the best WordPress plugin that allows you to create, add, manage, and deploy high-converting offers to your sites in record speed. Adtivate is perfect for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, agencies, e-commerce blogs, digital marketers, authors, service providers, and everything in between. Pretty much, if you have a WordPress site and you want your site to make more profit, you need Adtivate. And now you're probably wondering, Josh, this is amazing, but how much? So this is the time where I invite you to go below this video and check out the demo video, check out the example sites, check out all the features packed into Adtivate, check out the exclusive launch only bonuses, and then finally pick the option that's right for you. And of course, we also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you have zero risk, but a ton of profit to gain with our powerful WordPress plugin. So go ahead and go below this video to check out the incredible offer we have for you today.